How to link Google account in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Devil May Cry Peak of Combat and want to link your game account with Google, first of all launch open the game on your device. Once you're inside your game, go ahead and tap on the 3 horizontal menu button at the top left corner. Now this will open the Office pop-up where you need to click on User Center at the bottom right. After you do that, from the User Center page, click on Manage Account. On the next page, click on Bind right next to Google. Now, you need to go ahead and enter your Google account's credentials. Go ahead and verify your device by typing in the unlocking code, and then in the sign-in area, type in your email or phone number. After typing it down, click on Next. On the next page, you need to enter your password for your Google account. Go ahead and enter your correct password and you'll be able to log into your account. So that's how you link a Google account in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.